Hello there, Kenny Durkin here, and this is the state of the Durkin Workshop address for March of 2026. And let me tell you, it has been quite the first month for the Durkin Workshop store online. Little over a year ago, I sculpted and printed these figures for my own collection, and I just kind of posted them online, and the response back was so positive. Everybody wanted them for their own collection. So I thought, well, maybe there's a way that I can make it so people can add my sculpts to their collection of figures. And I kind of had to put that idea on the back burner because I was moving from Florida to Wisconsin, and then once I got up here, I had to find a house, and I had to move into it and unpack and all this. So it took me a while to get going, but February 1st, just a month ago, I was able to open the shop, and the responses greatly exceeded my expectations. I mean, it's been overwhelming the response, the positive response from it. So for those of you who have ordered so far, thank you very, very much. It looks like everything has arrived okay so far. A lot of you have sent me private messages telling me how happy you were that you got them and that you can't wait to get more when they come out. And a good number of you also have posted pictures of my figures with your collections, and even videos. I got a great video today. You should check it out. So I appreciate that. That's big. That gets the word out in ways that I could not possibly do myself. There's no way I could reach that many people. And I've got a huge influx of new orders coming in. So I've got plenty to do. So that's great. If the store is successful, that means that I can create more figures, and we just keep it going and going and going. And I've added other things besides figures to the store as well, and those have been selling as well. I've been selling prints of my work and actual original artwork, and so it has been amazing. So thank you all for that. If you have not received your order yet, it's just because it's coming with the next batch of orders. I got a big stack of things I got to get to, so it will get there. And I've got ways of getting these orders out to you faster. But I'll get to that in a minute. But a real quick note for those of you who have, I offer the figures painted or unpainted, and for those of you who have ordered the unpainted versions, they're on my YouTube channel. It's at the Durkin Workshop. I have a section on there that has not only some of the materials that I use to paint and glue together these figures, but also each individual character has its own step-by-step on how to paint them. Now, you don't have to do what I do. It's just a guidelines, just suggestions. If you have a better way of doing it, drop it down in the comments, and we'll just share our ideas with each other. I'd love to learn from you, because I definitely don't know everything for sure, and I'm sure there's more efficient and better ways of doing things. So there's that. Now back to the orders. Well, let me explain it this way. I'd like you to meet Groucho. Groucho is my Bamboo Lab A1 printer, and he's the only printer I've got, and he works very, very hard, and he's gotten out all of the orders so far. Not without issues, though. He is a little moody. He's a little cranky. Sometimes he doesn't want to work the way I want him to, and it ends up costing me a lot of time. So to alleviate some of the stress from old Groucho, I have ordered a second printer, which should be arriving within the next few days. So Groucho will be joined by his brother Chico. So Groucho and Chico, those two brothers will be working nonstop, and hopefully I can get these orders out to you even faster. You know, I'm happy with the way everything is going right now, but I'm always trying to improve things. So one of the things I want to improve is how fast the orders get out. I would like for you to be able to get, you know, the order, the shipment within a few days of ordering it. So I'm going to get to that point. But in the meantime, just be patient with me because I'm still working out a lot of these bugs. And, you know, who knows? Maybe Groucho and Chico will be joined by Harpo one day. And what was the final thing I had to talk about? Oh, Muppet of the Month. Muppet of the Month. I promised that I would have a new Muppet every single month, and that I would be introducing this Muppet on March 1st, which is today. And I do not have anything to show you. I do have prototypes right over my shoulder, but I'm not going to show those to you yet. I I don't know why I picked the shortest month of the year to launch this thing. That was first bad idea that I had in a string of bad ideas. But the Muppet of the Month has been sculpted digitally. I printed a prototype of him. I wasn't happy with the prototype. That was the whole point of prototypes, is that you see what's wrong with it. So I went back in and I sculpted it again, printed another prototype. Still not happy. Went back, sculpted it, made a bunch of changes, did a third prototype, and it's really, really close, but it's just not there yet. So give me a little bit more time. It will definitely be coming out in March, just not March 1st. So bear with me. I want to get them out to you because I'm really excited, and you've probably guessed, most of you, who it is at this point. So that's it. So I think that's all for now. So the next time you hear from me, I'll be announcing the Muppet of the Month, and he'll be available for you. And that's it. So thanks again, everybody. I appreciate it. Take care, and stay tuned because there's plenty more on the way.